Is it Zodiac 4.3 meters? 4.3 meters. First time we're going to inflate it. Never done it before. We actually put it back in the bag, didn't we? Because the bloke said when we bought it, I asked him to send it to us, and he said, oh, I can't get it in the bag, mate.
Got most of it. Didn't get the wood bits.
So we sussed it out,
So.
didn't we? Sure is a big one. Yeah. Right. Oh, I think which is next. Okay. I think that's equal. What I've got to do is get these. Ooh.
Got a manual.
Yeah. Have a quick look. These, I'm pretty sure, go like that because you've got a running rail here that you can fit something to. Whew! Next one. that one.
Is that the last one?
No.
Looks like it is.
I presume. No. Good exercise. I thought it'd take forever with this. It will if it pops out. Okay. You just don't do it. It's such a beautiful bird, isn't it? So assembling this, you've got two boards with a cutout at the side. There you go, sort of
In the middle.
well, not in the middle, sort of, yeah, they're in the middle, and then you've got one board which is complete, and that goes smack there. So you've got a board at the back with a small oval cutout to get to the water valve. Then you've got a straight piece, then you've got another piece with an oval piece missing out, and then they collapse together. You don't put the slides into the end.
Can't see it now.
Yeah, so you don't put the slides into the end.
They're called stringers.
Hmm?
They're called stringers.
Oh, they're called stringers. And you also be prepared to sweat.
We have got electric one.
Huh?
But it won't reach.
You won't really try to get an extension for that.
If you moved it back a bit, it might do through the passenger door.
Look at the exercise.
That didn't take long. How long did that take?
15 minutes? 20 minutes?
Only 10 minutes of that, I think.
Yeah?
It looks quite solid. It looks a bit out of line.
This is the centre, this is the V. Makes the boat sit up. Gives it more stability in the water. Self-sealing, well, self-locking. That's good news. My lobster pot's still out there. Maybe. Done. Wasn't that bad. Once you sussed out, first time we've put it together.
What's that in feet?
4.3 metres.
4 metres?
4.3 meters, yeah, 4.3 or 4.4. I'll tell you what it is, hold on. Well, there's the statistics. Made in France. It'll take a 15 horsepower engine, up to 55 kilos. It'll hold 750 kilos in people. But does actually give me the actual length of the. So it's 5 people plus 1 child. Can't see the length. I'll look in the book. I'll let you know. I think it's 3.4 meters. Okay, thanks for watching. Here's a 3 meters 40. There's a big one. So we'll get this on the water in a bit. These self-clipping.
Took you about half an hour to suss it out, to have a little chat.
Depending if you want to row it or engine it. I think I'm going to row it for now. So I'm going to put them here. Yeah. So
we've only got one.
One seat, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, you think you'd have 2?
That's one in. So you just pull them up. They're on a very slight swivel. So if you can see from there, they move up and down. Yeah. So you push it. And that's it. And then the oars go in these Rolex. These are fixed Rolex. Push them, they clip them back, and they can't come out. And these adjustable. Yeah.
Yep.
So, and also they do lock in somewhere. Here. So I've got this. Look at that. Put my finger. So. That's not right. And you tighten them up and they can't come out. Just put my finger on that. It's the same with this one. That way round, this slides. So open it up, slide it back, push them in. Goes around that. So you've seen that? Goes around there, slots in, and then tighten this up. And that's it. Done. And I'm still sweating. Poo face. WD works.
Not squeaking anymore. Trailer works well.